A quick update on SEI here. So zooming into the 3-day chart here, just so we can get a look at what's going on here. We're going to zoom back out in just a moment, but it looks like any lower than 30, you're at 30 and a half at the moment. Any lower than the low to the high, 618, that's going to bring you down to the 786 here and potentially break the uptrend finally and come down to that 27 and lower. So just keep 30 in mind here. You drop below 30, then that may be all she wrote for now on SEI here. So let's zoom back out to the weekly chart we've been watching here, and you can see the uptrend I'm talking about here. You know, if we wherever we move this to, but let me just move that up. You can see we did end up coming back down to that. We pointed that out, and we came all the way back down to the 618 at 24 and a half. We bounced, we got stuck at the 382, and now we're back down below that 0.5, hitting that trend line once again here, depending on where we draw this, of course. But I would say 30 is a good price to watch here. Any lower than 30, then we could have the price. Let me go ahead and move this over so we can see. But we could have the price do something that a lot of things have been doing lately, breaking down, back testing, and then just kind of falling off the table here. So that could be the case. So let's just quickly measure this. Any lower than 30, then I would guess the price is going to break and you're going to come down 19-20% down to 24 and a half there. So just keep that in mind. But if you are bullish on SEI here, then you take all of these opportunities to buy in, of course. Great DCA opportunities for this project if you think it's going to go up this cycle. And with all that being said, we do have three targets to the upside here. The first bullish one being at a $16.8 billion market cap up to 660 from the 30-cent range we're at right now. Let me go ahead and move this because that is not correct. Let me get the measurement tool off. So let's move this down from the last update where we came down more. So you can see that if it makes that billion market, or that 16.8 billion market cap, it's about a 21x on your investment. These are based on Fibonacci levels, by the way. That is the 4236, the 3618, and I believe the 1618, if I'm correct. I'm not too sure on that. So 9.6 billion up here to 380 would give you about a 12x on your investment. And then our first target right after that previous high at 114 is going to take you up to that 3.3 billion market cap and that $1.30 range and do about a 4.5x from today, of course. But I think it's going to blow right through that one. I'm leaning more toward the 9.6 billion market cap on SEI here for a conservative target, I would say. I think 3.3 billion down here, just above that previous high, may be a little bit too low on this thing. So what are your thoughts on SEI? None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.